Alright guys, I'm here with my 2005 Subaru Outback, and this is the rear wiper on it. The rear wiper is a locked unit. It doesn't allow you to just put refills in on the blade, so every year in winter when I'm looking for a new blade, then I have to go buy the whole new arm piece from Subaru. I feel like it's 15 or 20 bucks if I remember. I finally gave up and just said I'm going to try and hack this and modify it so that I can put refills in and see how I do. So to do that, the ends of the arm are sealed. You can't slide the refill blade in or out on the stock one. So what I did is I just took my Dremel with the cutoff blade, and then I went down to the end of the blade here, and there is just this little end piece that holds it on, and I just cut it off so that I can slide it in and out. So once you cut this little tab off the end here, you then can slide the blade, the old stock blade, off. So that's what I did. I slid the old stock blade off now that this end wasn't here, and then I just went down to the store to buy a refill, just this plastic refill kit with rubber. It does come with this plastic end on it, which actually ends up helping when you put it back in. It kind of puts tension on this end piece here, and it's stayed in for like 2 years now, so I'm fairly confident that this is a pretty good solution. So the blades that I'm using are these 14 by Anco 14R blades, and here's the second one I got, and it just has that end piece on it as well. So if you're tired of buying brand new or wiper arm blades from Subaru, feel free to just cut the end off that one, slide the old stock rubber blade out, and then just get one of these refill blades and just slide it in there, and it fits in pretty snug, and so far it's held on great for me, and I won't be buying these arms anymore from Subaru. Thanks.